Welcome back guys to Information Base Center channel. Today's video about alphabet A to Z in 100 words, and we going to learn about alphabets around 5 minutes. Alphabet A. Ant, apple, airplane, Amazon. Alphabet B. Boy, ball, basket, bag. Alphabet C. Cat, camera, cake, color. Alphabet D. Dog, doll, duck, deer. Alphabet E. Egg, elephant, ear, earth. Alphabet F. Fish, fruit, furniture, fun. Alphabet G. Golf, garden, grass, game. Alphabet H. Hand, hat, horse, home. Alphabet I. Ink, insert, Italy, inside. Alphabet J. Joke, jean, jam, jewelry. Alphabet K. Key, kangaroo, king, kite. Alphabet L. Lion, lemon, leaf, lamp. Alphabet M. Monkey, moon, mouse, mask. Alphabet N. Nut, nurse, nose, net. Alphabet O. Oat, onion, oil, orange. Alphabet P. Pet, pen, pot, panda. Alphabet Q. Queen, quit, quiz, question. Alphabet R. Ring, rose, rat, rabbit. Alphabet S. Sun, snake, shark, step. Alphabet T. Tomato, tiger, table, tree. Alphabet U. Unicorn, up, umbrella, uniform. Alphabet V. Vase, vest, vegetable, van. Alphabet W. Wheel, watch, water, window. Alphabet X. X-ray, xylophone. Alphabet Y. Yolk, yo-yo, yellow, yak. Alphabet Z. Zebra, zip,